Yes, so now we are back in our science lecture and we are doing a very interesting chapter which is light and sound. Yes, in the previous lecture we have seen about some luminous objects and some non-luminous objects. So luminous objects are those objects which give us light and non-luminous objects are those objects which does not produce light. Okay, so now let us move further in this chapter and now we are going to study about shadow. Yes. See in the picture, a boy like you is making a shadow. Yes, can you see the shadow of the boy and the plane? Yes. So we are going to see how the shadow is formed. So when an object blocks the path of light, it forms a dark area called a shadow. So you can see light is falling and in the path of the light, the boy is in the between. Yes. So because of that, the shadow is formed. Okay. Now, another interesting features of shadow. So firstly, a shadow is always formed on the opposite side of the source of light. Like you can see in the picture, it is sunset which is in the west direction. Okay, but the object is between the light's path. So where the shadow is going to form? The shadow is going to form on the east side. So shadow will always be formed on the opposite side of the source of light. Then shadows keep changing in size. Interesting. So let us see how. So a shadow is long in the morning and evening. Yes, so the shadow is long in the morning and evening. But the shadow are short at noon. Noon is afternoon. So at the afternoon the shadow are short, but in the morning and evening the shadows are long. And we all know that a shadow is always black in color. Okay, so now let us see one picture which will demonstrate us that the shadow are long in morning and evening and short at noon. So can you see in the picture? Yes, so in the morning, the direction of the sun is such that a long shadow is formed. Same as in the evening, the direction of sun is such that the shadow is long. But at the noon, the sun is on top. Yes, that's why the size of the shadow is smaller as compared to in the morning and in the evening. Yes, it is an amazing thing which we have learned. Okay, now here we complete about light. And now we are going to see about sound. Yes, we see a lot of sound is being produced around us. Yes, every day we see, every day we hear lot of different sounds. Okay, so now we are going to see what exactly sound is. When, when we strike an object to something, sound is produced. We hear sound with the help of our ears. Yes, whenever two things are struck, means whenever two things are joined. Whenever we touch our pencil with the table, so we can hear a sound. Yes. So whenever two things will strike each other, a sound is produced. So with the help of our ears, we are able to hear the sound. When we speak, laugh, switch on the music system or play musical instruments like violin or the piano, sound is produced. Yes, whenever we are speaking, we are talking with each other, we are laughing, we listen to beautiful music. Yes, yes, we play different musical instruments also. like violin, piano, tabla. Yes, so they all produce different kind of sound. Now, types of sound. Yes, we just now talked that there are different kinds of sound. So let us see. We hear different kinds of sounds with the help of our ears. Some sound are soft and some are loud. Yes, sometimes we talk softly, sometimes we are shouting, so it is loud. Some sound are pleasant while some are unpleasant. Yes, sometimes we love the song, so we feel it so pleasant. But sometimes if somebody is shouting, it is unpleasant. Yes, a pleasant sound such as light music is soothing to the ear. Yes, whenever a pleasant music is going on, we all love to hear it. Yes, and our ears also feel nice to hear such soothing sound. A loud and unpleasant sound is disturbing to the ear and is called noise. Yes, whenever we are stuck in the traffic, we see what we call it? We call it noise. That lot of noise is coming. Yes. So that is unpleasant and our ears feel disturbed. Noise can make us fall ill. Listening to very loud sounds can harm our ears and can make us deaf. Yes, if for a long period of time, if we are hearing loud sound, then it can damage our ears. There is eardrum, yes, inside our ears. So the eardrum can be damaged and we may also become deaf. So it is very important to stay away from noise. Okay, students, so rest of our chapter we are going to continue in our next lecture. Bye bye.